So how long is this lockdown going to go on for? I don't know, it could be months, I really don't know. Nobody knows. I mean, we are allowed to go outside and walk the dog and do some shopping, of course. I don't have a dog. I'm really not sure I could stay locked up in this caravan for more than 30 minutes, let alone several months. We'll have to do something. Come on, it could be worse. I'm sorry. What could be worse than spending several months stuck in a caravan? In this wobbly box of yours? This, what, 6 by 2 metre box? I've got to stay here in isolation for several months. Do I really have to stay in here for months? You could have been in your motorhome, which is much smaller than this. Isn't it? Think about it. Much less luxurious. I mean, look at the plushness round here. You'd be fine in here, I'm sure. Your motorhome would have been nowhere near as comfortable as this, would it? I mean, down your motorhome, what's the point of all that space at the front? Like with the steering wheel and the dash. I mean, it's just a delivery van. I need the open road. I'm a free motorhomer. I stop and start and go wherever I like. I can't be stuck here. You've gone no further than the Midlands in your van, your motorhome. No further than the Midlands. Anyway, that's enough of that. I mean, seriously, how are you feeling? Hopefully you haven't got any symptoms, have you? I'm fine, yes. Us motorhomers are resilient type. I mean, we have to be on these pan-European tours that we do. At a drop of a hat, we just take off, and the open road. Our life is the open road. Not like you caravanners. You want to go 2 weeks in Blackpool. Not there's anything wrong with Blackpool, of course. And you're okay with food. I mean, you did say earlier that you was a bit, well, the other day that you was a bit low on loo roll. Have you managed to get any? I mean, we was at the supermarket the other day and they were letting people have 4 packs, so I did get one. So I'll keep one in here, somewhere at the back there. So you know, we have got them if you need them. Loo roll, yeah, I'm fine. I managed to get some Andrex just the other day. Yeah, I'm fine now, but thank you for offering. But you do, I've said to you before, you do need to be careful of putting excess food and stuff in the caravan, because you know what people are like when shortages hit. Are you sure you're okay? You're looking a bit flushed and, well, anxious. No. Anyway, do you think we're far enough away from each other for this social distancing thing? Just like to keep my hands clean. Can't be too careful these days, especially in here. I don't know when you last cleaned. Don't be showing that hand sanitizer in public, you get lynched. So in light of all this virus stuff, then, have you cancelled any trips away in this magnificent wobbly box of yours? Yes, we have had to cancel a couple, unfortunately. We were due to go, we were due to go to Brighton to see a concert this month, or maybe next month actually. So that's cancelled. We thought there's no point in going down there. Everything could be shut and be better off just staying at home. Oh dear, really? And after you spent a fortune on the service and getting the antifreeze replaced, and oh, caravan insurance, that must have set you back quite a bit, quite a few £100, and yet here it is sitting on your drive with, well, basically me living in it. all right. No need to keep going on about. I mean, have you heard anything about your insurance claim on your motorhome? You know, when you left the motorhome on the beach and you got hit by that tsunami that no one else heard of apart from you. You know, you mention about my motorhome issues every single week. You know how distressing it is to me not having my beloved motorhome, not being able to tour the world, to Europe at least, or well, at least part of England. I miss it. Or did I tell you, I went in a coffee shop the other day and I got mistaken for you for some reason. I don't know, I can't see the resemblance myself, but really? I don't see the resemblance. Oh, I got a free pan of chocolate as well. You'd have loved it. They're really nice there. You do know that was actually meant for me. The only food you've got in these cupboards are Fray Bentos pies. I don't know why you bought so many. Anyone think there was a world shortage of Fray Bentos pie? Who else buys Fray Bentos pies? I can't eat them. You said you like them. Do your own bloody shopping in future then. Are you sure? I really need to be isolated in this caravan. On my own. I mean, where else are you going to go? You sold your house to live in that motorhome that you don't even have at the moment. I mean, you've obviously flooded your motorhome, before your big European tour was supposed to start, didn't you? I could go to a travel lodge, you know. They're comfortable. Bigger rooms than this. Well, be my guest. I'm just going to be stuck here for months on your drive, living in a caravan, which is on a slight slope, by the way. Can't you level it? It's my worst nightmare. As I said at the beginning, it could be worse. So why are you self-isolating in the caravan? I don't understand. I haven't heard you cough or sneeze or even have any symptoms. In fact, I've got more of a bunged up nose than you have. What? Oh, I know. Is it because of your motorhome situation and the fact that you were living with your mate and he kicked you out because you were snoring? Yes, alright, it's true. I don't have coronavirus at the moment. Touch wood. Touch wood. There's no wood in here, is there? But yes, he did kick me out, and it's not because I snore. It's because he had to look after his elderly mother. What could I do? I did ask if I could stay there, but they were too worried about the health risk. The world's gone mad. Oh, I suppose you can stay here for months if you have to, but please try and keep it tidy. I suppose it'll stop it getting stolen with you in it. Ba 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 boom. Ba ba boom ba da ba do.